mask.
Give this video a thumbs up if you on Chad Wild Clay and Qwaint side, and subscribe with bell on, for more awesome videos. We want to show you how a car drives on things without breaking anything, or which one does not break. Pay attention, it is very interesting. You can laugh to death.
What's up, Spy Ninjas? We are gonna trick PZ9. Regina's out renting a car right now. Oh, wait, here she comes. Hey, Regina, stop! Stop! You're gonna run over! Wait, Regina, stop! Oh, you ran over! Oh, stop!
What?
You ran over my squishy. Get out here. Come look at this.
He's fine. He's just fine.
Oh, where'd it go? Into the pool. Oh, there it is, in the pool.
Go get it, Regina. Jump in.
We're gonna have you throw away from the pool, B.
Ready?
Ready.
Okay, Regina, you first. What item do you want run over?
My ball collection.
Your ball collection?
Yeah.
Whoa, check it out.
Whoa.
Made a rainbow.
My collection. It's okay. I'll buy new ones. It was worth the satisfaction.
Yeah, I'll say.
Okay, Daniel, what am I squishing?
I guess my little friends here, they're so colorful and they're so nice to me, and you're gonna make me run them over?
Oh, and they're filled with something special.
Yeah, a little surprise inside.
Oh.
I was hoping I would never see the surprise inside, but now we're gonna find out what's inside. That guy's totally gone. Look at the tire prints.
Guy.
What the heck happened to him?
They squished him.
Hey, this cool dude is just fine.
Oh, that boy, he was my favorite anyway.
Look, they all regurgitated. Look how gross this is.
Next up is my Fortnite squishy going right here. He's totally fine, I knew it. I didn't even get a turn last time, so now I'm gonna try to pop a balloon so I can run over all of y'all's stuff.
Please miss, Chad.
Come on, balloon.
Okay, but you're next.
Oh, look at these! Look at these little squishy unicorns.
Ooh, those are fun.
Really?
Disgusting.
I have two.
You got 3.
Oh.
Oh! Whoa! What happened to Pinkberry?
Oh my gosh, they all survived! And they made really satisfying noises.
I don't know. This guy did not survive.
Oh, no, my favorite!
He popped.
Ah.
Okay, Regina, what's your item?
My little chickens. We got Nick, Joe, and Kevin. I have a good feeling something really cool is gonna happen.
Oh?
They got me all wet. Their eggs popped. You see, this is the yolk.
Disgusting. But don't tell me I have to destroy all my toothpaste.
Why do you have so much toothpaste, Daniel?
You see those teeth?
They're not that white. That's why I bought so much. This is all I have, Regina.
Is that toothpaste or green slime? I can't tell. Yeah, you can brush your teeth. Oh my.
I need new pantalones.
It looks like green slime for real.
Yeah, like the slime they put on my head that one time.
Oh. Daniel's turn.
Ready to miss?
Why do you think I'm gonna miss? I always don't miss.
Regina, remember your throw?
Oh.
I'm not gonna pull Regina because I am Daniel. 3, 2, 1, here we go.
What?
How did this happen?
It went.
Are you sure you're not Regina? Mr. Ball, he still works.
Why do you call everything Mr. Bear, Mr. Ball? Hang on. That was somewhat satisfying, but you know what's gonna be really satisfying? If we cut a little slice. There. Oh. Okay. This is gonna be fun.
Mr. Ball! What you did?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, I'm turning blue. We're all turning blue. Not my breakfast pineapple. Oh, how could you run this over, Daniel?
You eat breakfast for pineapple? I mean,
Yeah, I eat breakfast for pineapple.
you know what I mean.
My delicious pineapple! Oh, it smells so good. Hacker mask. Whoa! I broke his nose. Whoa! Look at that.
Dad.
Guys, please make sure you are subscribed so you never miss a video. See you all next time.